Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets overnight are pretty quiet with beans down a little bit, corn and wheat unchanged. We've got the Chinese stocks were a little bit lower, but U.S. stocks look like they were going to open higher, but kind of backing off from their highs. The U.S. dollar is lower. Crude is actually a little bit higher. There was some talk that maybe OPEC might be ready to meet with members to talk about some production controls. Although there is a story out that the Russians deny any news of any meetings. We did see increased farmers selling overnight in the beans. This is after both beans and corns kind of picked itself over the previous resistance. Domestic basis, though, for corn softened, and the barge basis is even weaker. And the soybean barge basis also got softer, suggesting that demand at the Gulf is slowing. We have a February USDA report. They're basically going to come out with new U.S. and world supply and demands. The average guess for the U.S. corn, 15 and 16 carryouts, 1815. Government was 1802, but the range is 1752 to as high as 1947. In the beans, average guess is 449. The government has been 440. The range is 425 to 491. And in wheat, the average guess is 949 versus 941. Range is 930 to 975. Private Group Informa will be out today with their estimates of world production based on February 1st. And Stats Canada will be out with their December 1 stocks, looking for lower wheat and canola stocks than a year ago. Funds were net buyers yesterday of everything, and they have whittled their net short positions down in beans, meal, and corn. Still have a pretty good wheat short, though, but open interest in beans yesterday went up about 13,000 contracts. 880 to 890 is the March bean support and resistance, 370 to 375 in the corn, and 472 to 480 in the wheat. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.